welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a 5-minute face that you can do and just get out of the house if you're in a hurry. So without chatting too much, let's get into the video. So I've already done the skincare, the serums, the eye creams and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Ashes lip balm to hydrate my lips. Then I'm going to use my classic USA foundation. Then I'm going to use my brush to blend the foundation. I'm going to use my Mary Kay's press powder. This is the shade. Then I'm going to use my powder brush. So I'm using it to set the foundation. I'm going to use my Kylie's mascara. To do a quick brow with Davis Cosmetics brow pencil. Nothing deep, just a tiny strokes. To use Iman Naked lip gloss. So guys, I think that is it. So I'm going to put our outfit together and see you guys after that. yeah guys, as you can see, it's pretty simple, quick and fast. You can do this when you're in a hurry for school or for work, but you don't want to be, especially those of us who don't work in an institution that you need to be very glammed up. You can easily do this when you're going out to run errands, anything that doesn't require you to be super glammed up. You can easily throw this together and then off the door you are gone. So yeah, so that's it for my 5 minute face you can do when you are in a hurry and time is on your side. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. My name is Margaret. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.